Hey everyone, welcome back to the iHub YouTube channel. Today, we've got some exciting news for all you crypto enthusiasts out there. KuCoin, one of the leading global cryptocurrency exchanges, has just announced the listing of Ronin on their platform. That's right, Ronin is now available for trading on KuCoin, and we're here to break down everything you need to know. If you don't already have a KuCoin account, sign up through our link and get free trading signals and more. For those who might not be familiar, Ronin is a blockchain specifically designed for gaming and NFTs. It was originally created by Sky Mavis, the team behind the wildly popular game Axie Infinity. Ronin's focus is on providing fast, low-cost transactions, making it a game changer for gamers and developers alike. With its growing ecosystem, Ronin is quickly becoming a key player in the blockchain gaming space. Now, with Ronin's listing on KuCoin, users can easily trade RON tokens and take advantage of KuCoin's robust trading features. Whether you're looking to buy, sell, or simply hold RON, KuCoin's user-friendly platform makes it super convenient. Plus, KuCoin is known for its security and reliability, so you can trade with confidence. Deposit opening time, effective immediately. Withdrawals opening time, 10. On February 19, 2025, UTC, trading pair, RON USDT. Here are the key details you need to know. Deposits for RON are now open, and trading will begin at 10 on February 18, 2025 UTC. The trading pair available is RON USDT, so you can trade Ronin against Tether. Make sure to mark your calendars and set those reminders. And here's a pro tip for all our viewers. If you're new to KuCoin, you can use our referral code when signing up. Not only will you get access to a top-tier exchange, but you'll also enjoy some exclusive benefits. It's a win-win. So, what are you waiting for? Head over to KuCoin, check out Ronin, and dive into the future of blockchain gaming. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the iHub channel, and hit that notification bell so you never miss out on the latest crypto updates. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.